Both guys have a lot of money. But I don't think DeSantis is going to get out there and start waving a presidential flag for a year, because he owes it to the people of Florida not to do that. And, you know, a year out is more than enough time for DeSantis to get whatever he wants to get up and running to be president. In that time, the polling will show, I think, that DeSantis will consolidate power where he lose power, unless he does, of course, reversal Donald Trump and runs honest record. But even then, it's going to be hard to get that message out, because the media is never going to report what he's doing honestly. They're always going to demonize him. So that's where we are on the Republican side. The Democrats are in more disarray. Biden can't run again. I mean, you know, even though he's strutting around like a peacock, he's still a horrible president. Horrible. Everybody knows it. So he's not running again. Kamala can't run. So now that throws it wide open to Amy Klobuchar and the governor of California, Newsom, and all these other people, none of whom really have captured the American. I think the woke stuff, you know, DeSantis had the best line I've heard in years from a politician. Woke comes to Florida to die. What a tremendous line. And the final thing is, on the Glenn Beck program, that things are going to get worse.
Yeah.
In the next 2 years.
Yeah, I have a story I wanted to get to you today, but I'm going to have to save it for a few minutes later. Okay,
guys.
Thank you very much. We are now, according to the Fed, mortgage loans, you missed this because it came out during the election, have crashed to depression levels. That's something we should pay attention to. We'll have more in just a second. We're looking at Arizona and the count next. The Glen. When you get to the end of a long day, there is nothing better than getting a chance to lie down in your bed and just sleep, recharge your batteries, you know? Our future, when it's controlled by the robot overlords, and I mean that literally, though, what I mean is you're going to get a great night's sleep because you're going to probably be in a pod. But while we don't have robot overlords, may I suggest you contact mypillow.com. They have the Giza Dream Sheets. They're back at their lowest price ever. This makes a great holiday gift as well. $29.99 with the promo code BECK. You need sheets. These are tremendous sheets. Like everything else MyPillow makes, these sheets come with a 60-day money-back guarantee. And if you're going to buy them as a gift, you should know the orders placed between now and Christmas will have their money-back guarantee extended until March 1st, 2023. Sleep on the best, especially when they're priced so low. MyPillow.com. Click on the radio listener square and check flash sale on this and other specials now for a limited time only at mypillow.com. Promo code BECK or 800-966-3117.
Head over to blazetv.com/Glenn. The promo code is stand up for $30 off.
If you
Sharp Black Friday deals at JCPenney. This weekend, get 1 to 2 carat total weight diamond rings, bracelets in 10 or 14 karat gold, now $899.99. Home Expression Soft Touch Twin Sheet Sets, $699. And Champion Activewear for the family, 40% off. We got your holiday. Black Friday deals. Shop, JCPenney. Offers valid on select items 11/11 through 11/13. Excluded from coupons. Exclusions apply. See store or jcp.com for details.
COVID-19 moves fast. If you feel symptoms, even if they're mild, you should test fast. Test positive and at high risk for severe COVID-19? Then act fast with authorized oral treatments that can be taken at home and must be taken within 5 days from when symptoms begin. COVID-19. Now you can too by asking your healthcare provider if an oral treatment is right for you. Learn about a treatment option at treatcv19.com. This is sponsored by Pfizer.
A ring shimmering with 3 blue sapphires for the one who's died. A gold necklace with a lavender gemstone for your dearest friend. A romantic diamond bracelet for a new love. At Shane Company, we create treasures for the people you treasure. With the widest selection of fine jewelry, it'll be easy to find magical family and friends. We know your gift represents your love. That's why we put at Shane Company, our diamonds are hand-selected one by one, so they sparkle from every angle. Our gemstones shine in a full spectrum of colors, so you can choose your shade. Our cultured pearls are hand-matched, so when the light hits them, they illuminate beautifully. Visit us today. We're open every day of the week. You can also set up an appointment to meet with a jewelry consultant in the store. We offer virtual appointments too. This year, find true treasures for the ones you love.
Now you have a friend in the jewelry business. Shane Company and ShaneCo.com.
Fox News, I'm Lillian Wu. Some stretches from Georgia to New York getting a soaking from what's left of now a depression. The storm, which has killed at least 5 people after making landfall in officials call unprecedented damage to the Daytona area coastline.
Millions of dollars of erosion damage here. This is of what's going to be really a big-time rebuild. There are many buildings that are demolition, hundreds of residents that are out of pocket here. This all began with Ian back in late November, compromising the shoreline up and down here, and then Nicole packed the final punch.
Fox Weather's Robert Ray in Daytona Beach, and the Dow this morning giving back some of its gains from Thursday after the market's biggest one-day in 2 years. NASDAQ and S&P managing to stay in positive territory. America's listening to Fox News.
Happy holidays, Bay Area. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named to give you the most luxurious hair color made with ingredients you could feel good about. Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars at the salon, having appointments take 3 hours, and not knowing the ingredients in your hair color? And Madison Reed. You may know Madison Reed for its at-home hair color, but big news, we now have 6 locations in the Bay Area where we color your hair for you. We call them hair color bars. Book a service and let us take care of you in the time it takes at a typical salon and for a fraction of the price. For a limited time, enjoy a new client offer on Root Services starting at $60. Visit madison-reed.com/San Francisco. That's madison-reed.com/San Francisco. Try it. Love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
Repeat after me. I, Kevin, take you, Susan.
This is Jamie from Progressive. Jamie. No, it's all right. I can talk. Progressive protects you 24/7, which means you can contact us anytime. I'm getting a loud shh sound, so I'm going to talk louder. What can I help you with today? Oh, yeah, Progressive can do that. Ugh, there's that noise again. Hold on. Let me put you on speaker.
Contact on the phone, online, or on the mobile app. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates, covered subject to policy terms.
Hey, singles. You know how people always say you should live a little? Get out more, take a class, go on a date. But what if instead of a little, you wanted to live a lot? Then welcome. From chill bar crawls and game nights to adrenaline-inducing experiences, our Singles Club is a lot of fun. Get started today at events and pre-planned for you every single month with tons of verified singles to enjoy them with. Events and adventures. Live a life you love.
Airborne, do more. Airborne's 8-in-1 immune supplement is great for the whole family and has 8 vitamins, minerals, and herbs like A, C, E, and zinc. Available in delicious assorted fruit-flavored gummies that are convenient to grab and go, or fizzy, zesty, orange-flavored effervescent tablets that you can enjoy with a glass of water. Learn more at airbornedomore.com. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
Imagine an island escape to relax on white sand beaches, enjoy fun adventures like scuba diving, and be greeted by people. That's what you'll find when you visit Fiji. And there's no easier or better way to get there than with Fiji. Your tropical paradise getaway is just one non-stop flight away, with round-trip fares starting at $899 or SFO, or check out great fares to Australia and New Zealand with seamless connections via Fiji. Book now at FijiAirways.com. Fiji, your easy island escape.
share something with you before we go into Arizona.